How to find reliable suppliers on Aliexpress. Now, if you want to buy some items from Aliexpress but don't know how to find a reliable supplier, in that case, you need to open either your browser or the mobile application for Aliexpress and just simply open those. And in the homepage of Aliexpress, you are going to see something like this. First of all, you need to find the product that you would like to purchase, and after you find that product, just simply open it. For example, let's select this earbuds, and from here you will see so many options which can help you evaluate the suppliers in Aliexpress. First of all, you can check the ratings in the product that is posted by the specific suppliers. For example, this specific post has 4.5-star rating, and after that you can also check the comments and Q&As in the product, which will tell if the supplier is reliable or not. And you can also go to the supplier profile by tapping into this icon right here, and in the profile you can get extra ratings and reviews about the supplier, and you can read through all of these. You can see the score, communication, ratings, and how positive or negative the reviews are about the supplier. And by knowing all this, you can very easily find reliable suppliers on Aliexpress. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.